We're gonna need some onions, we're gonna use some carrots, and at the end we're gonna use some green peppers. This is not an official, authentic Italian recipe. This is my pasta recipe. We're gonna be using olive oil for this. Make sure it's not extra virgin olive oil. It should be normal olive oil. Of olive oil, and you're gonna wait for it to heat up. Olive oil usually takes a long time to heat up. You're gonna throw some salt in to see if the oil is hot. Not yet. It's heating up. First. Bonu, you want to flatten out your onions, and then you want to throw in a little bit of salt so they can sweat faster and cook faster as well. Then you're going to take your garlic, a lot of it, and you're going to throw it in. So I have my onions flattened out, they're starting to lose water, and now I'm going to throw in my tomatoes and green chilies. Again, green chilies are not an official Italian ingredient, but we're Indian people, so we're going to use green chilies as well. Now, at this moment, your kitchen might be smelling quite heavenly. Bolu. Finally, we're going to throw in our carrots. Carrots give your sauce a nice body. So don't be afraid to use a lot of oil. Oil brings out flavor. So while this is cooking, we're gonna fry our chicken mince in another pan. You want the chicken mince to get brown and golden and a little bit crispy before you throw it into the sauce. You want to break part in the pan. You want small pieces. Now that you see our chicken has some color, we're going to add it to our sauce. What we have here is homemade crushed tomato puree. You can use tomato paste as well. We're going to use some store-bought tomato puree as well because it gives a nice taste and color. Some water.
And we let it cook.
Rosemary, which we're going to throw in as a whole. And you want to fetch this out when it's done cooking. We're Indian people, we like our spice. We're going to put in some red chili powder. It's going to give a nice kick to the pasta. Herbs, we've added our rosemary, we've added some spice to it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to let this cook, let the flavor develop. Go outside, sit, do nothing. Now we have our pasta. I usually prefer shells, but we have these bow ties which will do good to coat the pasta with the sauce. And here we go. You want to make sure your pasta is al dente, a bit hard, because it'll cook in the sauce as well. No one likes very soft and mushy pasta. Stir it in softly. You want to fold it in instead of stirring it because you don't want the pasta to break. We're going to salt and pepper this at the very end. Keep mixing it. Okay, time for plating. तुम्हारा निकालो